everyone, welcome to episode 6 on how to make a fish clicker game in Scratch. In the previous video, we added a secret golden fish so that the player can get more fish by clicking it and it appears after a long gameplay. In this episode, we will be adding achievements to our fish clicker game. So, to do that, let's create a new sprite calling it achievements. And then after that, let's create an achievement like something like this with a gray outline, yes, sorry, a gray filling and then a black outline, and I'm going to make it like this, something like this, and then we'll give an alert like achievement, and then I'm going to give it some outline to make it bold, so center it and then hold the shift key and uh, move the up arrow, use the up arrow, sorry, and then after that uh, write something like first click, like the name of your achievement. So basically if we click for the first time, this achievement will show, and then let's create another one like something like 10 clicks. Also use the numbers for the costume as 1 and 2, like depending on the number of achievements you have. So in the beginning, let's hide, and actually we're going to clone all of these costumes and show depending on the situation. So basically it's the cloning system is almost similar to the upgrade sprite we did back in episode 3. So create a new block called clone achievements, then run without screen refresh as we wanted to run make it run fast. And then for individual cloning we'll do clone and then put id. So basically let's switch costume to id and let's create a new variable called achievement id, and make sure it's for this sprite as we're using it only for clones. So let's, in the beginning let's set it to 1, I mean to 0, and then after the switch costume let's change it by 1 and then create clone of myself. And as we have 2 upgrades, I'm going to clone both of them, clone 1, clone 2, and then let's position it over here when the user gets a achievement. So let's hide that. So now we want to, now we need it to show when it's required. So if to do that, we'll check if the achievement index with the achievement id is equal to 1, which is our first achievement, and we want this to only run when we first click the sprite, the fish. So let's create a new block called achievement and then put goal as the input and click OK. So basically if the score is equal to goal, then we wanted to do an effect like take a repeat 10 block here, and before that we just want to set the ghost effect to 100, and we'll show in the beginning like there, and then inside the repeat 10 we'll change the ghost effect by 10 minus 10, sorry, and then after that we'll wait for 2 seconds, and then repeat 10, change ghost effect by 10, it fades away, and then hide. So put this achievement block here when the achievement ID is 1, and then when the score is equal to 1 we want that action to be performed, so just put 1 here. So now as you can see, if we click this, okay, uh, okay, so we forgot to put this clone achievements block here, so basically it did not clone. So now if you run it, it shows that we got an achievement. Okay, so it's running continuously, so we'll just put a stop this script here. Okay, or I guess let's just leave it like that. So to add more achievements, just put your achievement ID, and then the second achievement has like 10 clicks, so just put 10 here. So if you get 10 clicks, you get that achievement. Also, if we get multiple achievements, it's better if we keep go to front layer here. And also let's keep a XY block, like X minus 115 and Y minus 135, so that positions here. Let's create one more achievement, something like 50 clicks. And let's clone that. And then if achievement ID is equal to 3, then put the 50 clicks there. So that's the end of this episode. In episode 5, we will be adding, in episode 7, sorry, we will be adding the title screen for our game. So stay tuned by subscribing and leaving a like to this video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.